Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create blank slide section in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to create blank slide section. Firstly, insert some blank slide. Now I am click the slide, then click the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Now I am add more than blank slide. Now you want to add the section to this blank slide. Go to the home menu again and select the section option. We can see here the added section. Now I am select this and we can see here the rename section window. Now I am rename the section 1. Then click rename. We can see here the section 1. You can collapse this and expand this section. Now I am go to some down and make another section. Click right button and select the add section option and rename the section 2. Then click rename. Now we can see we added blank slide section very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.